Hello everybody, Nick here. So yesterday I went live with the Jalapeño Chicken Ranch Salad and I have so much left over because obviously it was just me eating it for lunch, and today I am going on a hike with my friends, so I thought that I would make up some rolls for us to take to eat while we're out and about. Because I have so much food left over and I would hate to see it go to waste. So I thought I would come on and show you all what I'm making for lunch, maybe inspire you what to do with the leftovers, and just show you how versatile this recipe is. Now these buns are the soft buns that we released for free. They go with the Persian lamb burgers, but they're getting such rave reviews. I think they are fantastic for lunches as well. You don't just have to use them for burgers or for the Persian burgers. They're really a very versatile, higher in protein bun to have at home. Now, I am going to, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut them up. Actually, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just making it up as I'm going. And I'll show you the inside. They have such a good texture. I'm having the Persian lamb burgers for dinner tonight with the kids. So I'm gonna make 3 for the hike today, and then I've got 3 left over for dinner tonight. So really ideal situation. I probably won't have mine on a burger tonight, considering I'm having them for lunch today. But yeah, all right, so you can see what I'm doing. So, first of all, butter. I'm not going to have a roll without butter on it. It's like butter just brings it all together. And I butter both sides as well. I don't care what people say. I work hard at the gym. I earned this butter. Probably not, to be honest. I actually was really lazy this week. Well, not lazy. It was a bit of a week, obviously, with the book launch and everything, and some like family stuff that was going on as well. So I only went to the gym once this week, which is not like me at all. How am I, Brennan? I'm awesome. I'm really good, actually. Couldn't be better. Can't think of any possible way that I could be better. Book launch went really well. Dinners for has been so popular. The people are loving the recipes. So, hey Libby, how are you? So, you know, really can't be happier. And now I get to go on a hike. What more could I possibly ask for in a weekend? Really, it does not get any better. And then my kids are coming home this afternoon. All right, so that is buttered. Yeah. Now, leftover sauce. Let me grab a spoon, 1 second. I don't know. I was thinking what I would do is maybe put a little bit of the sauce on the buns, on the base of the bun. Is that the base? Yeah, a little bit of sauce on the base of the bun, so it doesn't go soggy, right? This is my thinking. So sauce the bun, the base of the bun. Well, this one's the top, I think. So sauce it like that. This is my plan. Now, I've never worked in a cafe. I'm sure that there's people out there who will tell me that I've made this all wrong, but it's going to be delicious regardless. So sauce goes on like that. Yum, yum, yum. Then I think what I'm going to do is a layer of lettuce to stop it from going too soggy from the chicken and stuff. So I've got little lettuce, little cos lettuce, baby cos lettuces. They're going to go on there like that. Little baby cosses. I love cos lettuce. Like, I could easily just sit here and just dip this in the sauce. Love a good crisp lettuce. All right, so that's done. Hang on. I reckon this one can go there, and that one I reckon can go there. All right, so bed of lettuce. Then I'm thinking should I do the tomato next and then the bacon and then the chicken? Or should I do tomato, chicken, then bacon? I think tomato, chicken, bacon. Yeah, tomato, chicken, bacon. Yep. Help me out, you guys. I think tomato, chicken, bacon is the way to go. All right, so these tomatoes, oh, I'm so lucky. So my beautiful mum brought over this whole bag of tomatoes from her garden. Have a look at these. So my mum and dad, they were tomato farmers my whole life. They grew tomatoes. So when mum brings over a bag of tomatoes, we're very spoiled. So I am going to pop those on the lettuce. Oh, man. I've been outside doing some work and I'm sniffling now because the hay fever is like crazy. Had to go through some old boxes and stuff that had like mold in them. Not pleasant at all, but I've already taken an antihistamine, so it's okay. I'll stop sniffing in no time. But I do apologize for sniffing. All right, now I reckon I'm gonna do some pepper and salt on the tomato, because I think you should. Just a little bit, because it's already got salt in the thing. All right, bit of pepper, bit of salt. Now, I reckon I'm going to do the bacon. Oh, no, I'm going to do the chicken because I feel like the chicken will hold the tomato together. I know that I'm like overthinking this, you guys, but all right, so this is the chicken. I'm going to layer that up now. Yeah, I reckon this was the way to go because that will hold, I think, the tomato in place because there's nothing more annoying than when you eat like a wrap or something and the tomato just like slides out, or a burger. It drives me crazy. Far out, it drives me crazy, I mean to say. All right, that is looking really good, actually. I'm very happy with that. That chicken. And then I'm thinking I'm going to put a little bit more of the sauce on top of the chicken. Chicken. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so hungry. But first I gotta exercise. This is gonna be the best lunch I've ever had, I reckon. All right, clean my hands. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more of the sauce over the chicken, just a little bit. So that it's like moist. Because we all love moist chicken. Okay. And then I have my bacon. Now, I just air fried it and then I cooled it. I'm kind of tempted just to use the eye so that you don't... Oh no, this is rindless, that's right. Hang on, let me cut the bacon up. Yeah, I specifically bought rindless bacon so that I didn't have to deal with like chewy bacon in it. All right. I'm probably not going to get hired by Subway anytime soon though. Bacon. Love bacon so much. Alright, that looks incredible. Then, bun on top. And I'll show you guys what this looks like. That looks so good. And then I'm just gonna wrap it up in foil to stay cold. But it's a pretty cold day in Adelaide today anyway. But I think foil is the way to go. How good does that look, you guys? Yum. And I still have enough chicken left over. Look at this. I still have enough chicken left over to make another one tomorrow for my lunch. So I get 3 days worth of food out of this one recipe. Amazing. So chicken, bacon, lettuce, tomato rolls made out of these Soft Burger Buns, which is a free recipe on the website. And then using the Jalapeño Chicken Ranch Salad, chicken filling and dressing to make a delicious, healthy lunch. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope I've inspired you on a way that you can possibly use the recipe a little bit different. I'm going to try, I don't know where we're going hiking yet, but I'm going to try and go live to show you eating it, of course, because that's what I do. If I have reception and it's not too windy. I don't want to put you guys through something that's not worth watching, but we'll see how we go. Otherwise, I will catch you tonight for dinner. I'm making the Persian lamb burgers, and they're my, I reckon my second favorite recipe in the book. So I'm really excited about that. I reckon they're my second favorite recipe in the book. I think my first favorite recipe is the bangers and mash pie, but I reckon the Persian lamb burgers is my second favorite. So tune in tonight. Like I said, I'm not sure what time yet, but it'll be around 7:30. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock, because I've got to wait for my kids to get home from sports. All right, I love you all so much. You have a wonderful day. Thank you to everyone who has purchased the Healthy Mix Dinners 4 already. Let me know in the comments what you're cooking today for dinner. I would love to hear more about it. See ya.